Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the constructor in Java. Constructor and its types I am going to explain here. So first, what is constructor? About that only I am going to discuss. So let's see what is constructor. Constructor is a special type of method which is used only to initialize the data members. You have to remember these definitions, okay? And these points and this feature of the constructor. Constructor is a defined with same name as construct class name. The class name and the constructor name should always be same. Always remember that if in a program the class name and the constructor name will always be same. It is automatically called while creating object of a class. When you create the object of the class, constructor automatically invoke in your program or in the Java program. Constructor cannot return value, so no need of return type, no need to use void or any other data types as return type because constructor cannot return value. Constructor is always public. Few points. Constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize the data members or the member variable or the class variables of a program. Constructor name and the class name should be same. It automatically called while creating the object. When we create the object, the constructor automatically invoke. Constructor cannot return value, so no need of return type, and constructor is always public. How to call the constructor? Constructor can be called by creating the object. Suppose item is the name of class. So when we create the object of this item, so through this line, the constructor invoked in the Java program. I will show you this through the example, but let's see first types. Default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. Default constructor and non-parameterized constructor is used parameterized constructor and copy constructor. Parameterized constructor, the constructor is having the parameters, which don't have the parameters, and copy constructor if the values of one object will be passed to other object, then it is called copy constructor. Now I will show you example of this constructor through the BlueJ interface. Let's see. First, you take a class. Now I'm going to take a class demo C, demo constructor. Class demo C. As we know that when you declare a constructor, the constructor name and class name should be same, so it will be public. So demo C. No need of return type. In function we give return type. I will show you the comparison, but let's see first. Now I'm going to print some messages system.out.print ln. Here just I'm going to print the value, but it's not the use of the constructor. Default constructor. Now I want to call this constructor, so I will create the object of the class public static void main string args. Class name is demo c ob equals to new demo c ob dot. No need to call the constructor because constructor automatically called. Default constructor or invoked. Default constructor invoked. How? Let's see. Compile it first. No syntax error. Default constructor. So through this only we can call the constructor without explicitly calling. Simply we created the object and constructor call. So what are the feature of constructor? Constructor used to initialize the data members of a variable. Now I will show you the actual demo. Let's see, int a and int a and b are two variables. So the work of the constructor is what? To initialize this value. A equals to 20 and b equals to 30. It will initialize that value. Now in other function you can do other things. So what is the work of the function? To initialize the variable of a class. See, constructor initializing the variable of a class. Now I'm going to take a function void display. Here I'm going to print the sum. System.out.println, and I'm going to take a static variable. Simply take it like that. Sum equals to a plus b. A plus b. A plus b initialized through the constructor. Constructor is used to initialize the variables, and this is called here. And now I'm going to call the function. So this is the constructor which automatically invoked, and this is the function which explicitly we have to call. How we will call? Ob dot display. Here, drag. See, compiled. Now I want to run this program. See, sum equals to 50. So simply you can understand from this program what is the use of constructor. The name of the class and the constructor name should be same. That's why it's a constructor. The method name will be always different. See, the class name is demo3, function name is demo3, but it's not a function. It's called a special type of function, and that is constructor. This is methods or function, and this a and b, which is the instance variable of a class, we have initialized here through the constructor, and now we call this here. Now this is the non-parameterized constructor, but if you have to use the parameterized constructor, so you can take here int x and int y. Now through the x and y I will initialize this. So a equals to x and b equals to y. A equals to x and b equals to y. Now at the time of calling the constructor, we have to give the value here 20 and 30. This 20, 30 is the actual parameter which is given to the parameterized constructor. So 20 will be the value of x, 30 will be the value of y. At the time of creating object only you can pass this, and now the value of a will be 20 and value of b will be 30. Like that it will be. So compile it. No syntax error. This is the way. With the help of that you can use the parameter constructor and default constructor. So this is the default constructor, and this one is the, and before that I shown you, if you will remove this, so that will be called the parameter non parameterized constructor, and this one is the parameterized constructor. And function, so what is the difference between constructor and function? Constructor automatically invoke when we create object of the class, but function we have to call whenever. How many times we will create the objects, that much time the constructor will invoke, but we need to call function explicitly. The class name and the function and the constructor name always will be same, but the class name and the function name always will be different. So these are few difference between the constructor and function. So this is all about the constructor. In next video, I am going to explain about the copy constructor.